Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best customer service software for small businesses. It's called FreshDesk. I'm going to show you the features, what I like about it, then I'm going to show you the pricing plan, and then I'm going to show you the dashboard, tickets and everything. You will find a link down below in the description that you can actually test it out by yourself, because they have free account and also they have free trial. So just click on the link down in the description and come with me on a journey. Now, when it comes to the features, they got ticketing, they got literally everything with a widget and everything. But the one thing I want to show, the two things actually, is the auto assign tickets to the right agents. This is advanced stuff that you can actually assign, let's say, Facebook questions directly to the agent who solves only Facebook, Twitter questions to someone who solves Twitter only, and also get rid of the to-do list. This is another thing. So reminding you about pending work, checking on customers. FreshDesk automates all redundant work. You can be assured that no task slips through the cracks. So if you're gonna have even a lot of tasks, you can automate it, you know? So it's going to get reminded. And also, this is the last thing, a full-time monitor for all tickets. So you're going to get notified when they come across one, they trigger actions immediately. As example, they bring customer response to an agent's attention right away. Keep customers updated on the progress of their issue. So FreshDesk is, because of this, in my opinion, like top notch. And when we even talk about pricing plan, you get free account that you can actually test it out with unlimited agents, and then you get a Blossom, Garden, Estate, and Forest. I really like the Blossom and Garden, and it really depends what do you actually need. If you actually need like time tracking with custom apps, maybe the Blossom is going to be enough for you for $15 per agent per month. And then you come here to the dashboard. So you see how many are unresolved, overdue, due today, open, on hold, unassigned. You see beautiful dashboard, what needs to be done. Then we see the tickets here. I can simply go to the right side and find agents, find groups here that I pre-created. And now I can simply, how can I get a refund to my order? I click on it. I can simply reply. I can forward it. Type status, if it's pending solved, group, simply update it, then go to next one that you can find the contacts here, that you have email address, companies, solutions, right? That you have like categories here, and also chatbots that you can use, and report and analytics. So like help desk is a top-notch thing that you can use. I really believe in that. Now, when you go even further to the tickets, on the right side, you have multiple options. And you can choose it by tag and everything. When I'm going to click on it, I can go also see the time logs. Start time tracking you spend on this ticket. So if you see the customer is really problematic and you're going to spend more than 10 minutes on it or something, you can forward it to someone else. Then you see like added to do, what you need to do on this ticket with the customer. Like this is much better comparing to Zendesk in my opinion. And then you get to see the priority, spending, tags here, billing. And you can really play around it as much as you want. So definitely recommend. You'll have a link down below in the description that you can use. And guys, if you have any questions, just ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you. Or how we can actually work with FreshDesk. I'm going to create also a tutorial on how we can use it. So you'll find it in the link down below in the description too. And this is pretty much it. So if you have any questions, just ask me down below. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See you.